Welcome. In front of me is ASUS VivoBook Go, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. So in order to take a screenshot on this laptop, you can either use a print screen button or a F11 button, or alternatively you can use a shortcut that I'm gonna show you right now, which is Windows, Shift and S buttons pressed simultaneously, and this does the same thing. Now, once you pick what fits the most to you, you will see the bar at the top of your screen, like this one, and here you'll have to select the snip or the snip option, and then you'll be able to select one of the four options for your screenshot. So the first option is the rectangular screenshot. This is also a shortcut of F11, by the way, so once you press F11 you'll automatically proceed to take a rectangular screenshot. And to take a rectangular screenshot you'll simply have to select an area on your screen that you want to take a screenshot of, and once you release the selection you will see a notification like that. That will mean that your screenshot was copied to your clipboard and saved into your screenshots folder. Once you open this notification, you'll be able to use fast editing with these tools that are available at the top of the window, and you can also edit it in Paint. And if you want to see its location, you have to go to the File Explorer, then open the Pictures folder, and then from here go to the Screenshots, and in the Screenshots folder you'll see the list of all of your screenshots. If I sort this folder by date, the last screenshot should be the one that I took right now. And as you can see, here it is. So we can move to the next option, which is the window screenshot. And to take a window screenshot, you just have to select a window that you want to take a screenshot of, and click on it once. And once you click on it, the screenshot is taken and it looks like this. Okay, so the third option for the screenshot is the full screen screenshot, and once you select this option, the full screen of your device is being screenshotted, captured, if you will, and it looks pretty much like this. And the last option of the screenshot is a freeform screenshot, and it's basically just like rectangular one, except for you can select any shape that you like. And once you finish the selection, your screenshot will look somewhat like this, depending on the shape that you selected. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.